Hey guys, here I have a Magcubic projector. Let's see how to connect it to the iPhone, okay? So here I have an iPhone with the application, and it's pretty easy to use. Let me just show back there that I have the projection on my wall already, right? Then I just need to come here to settings and make sure that I have the projector connected to a wireless network, that my phone is connected to the same one, right? You see back there I have Max 24 right now. Let me just change to the other Wi-Fi here and connect. So right now it's connected to this my Wi-Fi 24. So here on my phone I need to do the same. Basically I just come here, look for the network. There we go. And I need to connect to the same network back there. Just wait for it to load. And I'm looking for my Wi-Fi 24. Takes a while to load. Okay, now you're here. Let's just wait a little bit more. There we go, my Wi-Fi 24. Now I'm sure that I have both of them in the same network. Then I just need to look for this software here, this app, sorry. The name is Transcreen. Let's just look for Transcreen. There we go. And that's the app, okay? Just make sure that you get the correct one. Here's the icon. So make sure that you get this one. That's the screen you're supposed to see with this type of remote control, okay? Let's make sure you install this one, and then you open it up, and you're gonna see the projector here, see HY300 Pro Plus, which is the Magcubic, sorry. So you just need to connect to it, and you're good to go. You see here that's connected right now. That's the symbol for the connection. And from here you can start casting. Anything that you have here will be mirrored back there. So it's just a mirror. You see it? It's mirroring back there. Then let me just stop the broadcast here. Then you can just load photos there, whatever you want to load back there as a picture. Picture takes a while to load, but it loads, you see it? Then you just come back. You can also load videos. Let me just load this AI video or something there.
Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Buckle up because today I'm taking you on an exhilarating journey through the evolution.
Okay, working pretty fine. And you can also mirror their control. That's nice. Just come back here. No, it's correct, right? Now it's mirroring there. So I'm basically controlling everything there. See what I have there? I have here as well. Same screen. So if I click here, go home, you see that I have the control there. And I just need to touch and control everything accordingly. So super easy to use that way. Okay, super simple. Then you don't need your remote control anymore. Or you can use the remote like this one. You have here the buttons, which is similar to this one, right? Take a look at there that I can just press the buttons and control back there. Super, super simple. Okay, so I hope this helps. That's the way you can have your Magcubic working with the cell phone as a remote control, or to broadcast anything there, to mirror your phone, whatever you want to do. Super, super simple, okay? Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.